Hello there, welcome back to Skylight Technologies. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare to make your site secure. So now just type in the domain that you own. Yeah, let's see. I think I got this domain from Freenom, and you can check out my channel. There is a tutorial on how to get free domain using Freenom. But I can only get TK, GQ, GA, CF, ML, anything else. And now I'll choose the free one so you can get some. Let's choose the free one. Now just wait for it. You will be checking your existing DNS records. It might take a while because just here, some DNS records took a while when you haven't used that domain. Now you can just click continue and just click confirm, never mind anything. And now let's see, you can see my name servers are on Freenom. Now copy this, head to your hosting place, and head to your domain buying place and put the name server there. Then copy the next name server and paste it here. Okay, and now just click change name servers and thing. And now just improve security. You can just switch to improve security, right? And now just make it off. If you're on, like just if your website isn't too big or does not have any slide bar or anything hard like JavaScript, so you can just click on. But if you got some JavaScript, if you click on, it might impact your build. So just leave that thing here. Just click save and now check on, off, none, and on. So you got to do this if your website have JavaScript, so it will work. Now just wait and reload the page. If you have successfully changed the name server, it will show up a message like this. Great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Now here's the attack mode. If your website is under attack, here's the developer mode. Okay, and you can see this green button here. Now head to DNS. And now you can just explore this place. And now go to your hosting place and choose point domain. And now don't type anything yet. Copy down, copy the link down below. Also, you can use another tactic to get the link if you are using another kind of server or anything hosting. Just click Kane. Now just type back the domain you open it. You can also check it out. Yeah. Okay. And now change this to the black cloud. So you can get the domain into your hosting place more quickly. Now just type in your domain. Let me see what's my domain. Okay, Cloudflare tutorial.tk. Is it right? Let me check for. Okay, it's right. Now just click save. And after you wait, okay. And just don't mind the errors beside that. Now you got it. Just don't mind the errors or any notification. Now you got it. Change it to proxy and click save. So let's get back there. Let's see and click this link. And now you'll see not secure, but just type HTTPS in front and you got it. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Bye.